Guys, Davinci Details, aka Davinci Autoart. You're about to see some demos that I put together in the past couple of years on precision stone chip touch-ups that I'm going to be sharing with you. I just want to stress, why is it important to be able to do this? Why not just repaint the car? Well, the difference is with a Toyota or a Hyundai like I drive, yes, you can get it repainted. It doesn't change the value of the car, and actually it enhances it. But when it comes to us high-end detailers, and it comes to these beautiful cars, McLaren, Lamborghini, whatever that is, Mercedes. So these cars, our jobs as detailers, we want to preserve them and maintain the original state of the car. Once you repaint or change a piece, the Lamborghini that was made 100% in Italy is not 100% Lamborghini anymore. It's 99%, and the bumper is now repaint from down the street in whichever city you live. Doesn't matter where it's done. What matters is it's no longer an original, and this is a collection piece, and it loses its value. So doing precision stone chip repairs is very, very important when it comes to these cars. It's an art. Very important to be able to do them 100% as nice as possible, where it's naked to the eye. Once you have this skill, then it's a very valuable skill, and it's a necessity to maintain and keep up these kinds of cars. Repaint a front bumper will knock off $20, $30, $40,000 worth of the value of the car, depending on the car. Stone chip repairs, the point, in a perfect world, the car wouldn't even have stone chips, but these cars are meant to be driven, and that's what happens. But that's what we're here for. We're here to reference as a dentist. Listen, no matter how much your teeth are going to deteriorate, us as humans and as owners of our teeth, and as hiring a dentist as a professional, we're going to maintain them and keep them for as long as possible. And that's what we do, and that's what we're doing with stone chip touch-ups. So I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Using a precise tool along with other tools to make precision stone chip touch-ups perfectly, not just these globs of paint that I'm sure that you're used to. So I did a little demo over here, what size you can do and what size you can do, which is hairline points all the way up to anything that needs to be filled. After that paint is applied, we do another process which hardens the paint, and it becomes almost impossible to tell the difference.
Don't you worry, child. She has got a plan for you. Don't you worry now. Yeah.
Mention depending on the quality that you want to give and how much time you want to invest, depending on the protruding of the stone chips or how hard the stone chips hit, often it feels rough, and you have to wet sand and buff it out and then before applying the stone chip repair. So it is a timely process. It's not just putting something down. And that's what I love about detailing, how all these specific skill sets that you have to put together to make the final piece. And that's why I call it art. Detailing is an art, because you're putting yourself into it and all these little aspects to build a final project that no one else will do exactly like you. Anyways, guys, I hope you had a great time watching the video. I had a great time talking about it. I could talk about this all day. If you guys want to talk about it some more, send me a message on my inbox. I'm always here for that. I love you guys. Baby Details, aka Davinci Autoart. Peace.